Our world is full of wonders, towering mountains, hidden caves, vast oceans, all begging to be explored. But some places hold a different kind of magic. Places whispered to be portals to other realms, haunted by ancient spirits or shrouded in unsettling legends. These are the places that spark our curiosity and send shivers down our spines. Why are we drawn to the unexplained? Is it the thrill of the unknown, the desire to test the boundaries of our understanding? Whatever the reason, these mysterious locations exert a powerful pull on our imaginations, reminding us that there's still so much about our world we don't fully comprehend. Join me as we journey to some of the world's most enigmatic destinations, places rumored to be gateways to hell or steeped in ancient rituals. Buckle up, explorers, it's going to be a wild ride. Deep in the heart of the Karakum Desert lies a site that could easily be mistaken for a scene from a science fiction film. A fiery pit over 200 feet wide spews flames and a hellish glow into the night sky. This, my friends, is the Darvaza Gas Crater, more ominously known as the Gates of Hell. Local legend claims that Soviet engineers searching for oil in 1971 accidentally struck a massive natural gas reserve. The ground collapsed, swallowing their drilling rig and creating the crater. Fearful of a catastrophic gas leak, they set it ablaze, believing it would burn off in a few weeks. Decades later, the inferno still rages, a testament to their miscalculation and a beacon to anyone seeking a glimpse of the underworld. Today, adventurous souls can visit this fiery abyss, the heat radiating from the crater palpable even from a distance. Standing at the edge, peering into the depths of the earth as flames dance before your eyes, it's hard not to feel a primal sense of awe, a reminder of the raw power that lies beneath our feet. Our next stop takes us deep into the jungles of Belize, to a place where the veil between the living and the dead is said to be thin. Hidden within the Tapir Mountain Nature Reserve lies Actun, Tunichil, Muknal, a vast cave system revered by the ancient Maya as a portal to Xibalba, their underworld. For the Maya, Xibalba was a perilous realm ruled by death gods, a place of trials and sacrifices. They believed that Actun Tunichil Muknal, with its winding tunnels and subterranean rivers, was an entrance to this underworld. Within the cave, they performed sacred rituals, leaving behind offerings to appease the gods and ensure the cycle of life and death continued. Today, visitors can journey into this sacred space, wading through cool, crystal-clear water, their headlamps illuminating the cave's secrets. Ancient pottery shards, ceremonial artifacts, and even skeletal remains of sacrificial victims paint a vivid picture of the Mayas' complex beliefs and their connection to this mystical underworld. It is a journey that is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the enduring power of ancient beliefs in the face of the unknown.